Students, welcome back to this upcoming school year. This is Mr. Rich, and I wanted to go over some parking details with you. You would have seen earlier this school year, or this summer, I would have sent you a link to log into our parking Canvas course. The link's still on Remind. If you need it again, I will send it to you, but you will self-enroll to this course. Once you enroll to the course, there are 3 things I need to have from you: your parking permit application, a copy of your driver's license, and a copy of your insurance. Again, I don't need a parking permit. I don't need your driver's permit. I need your driver's license, your official driver's license. Make sure all 3 come to me. Or you can turn them into Miss Ivy at the front desk. When you turn these into me, you're going to go under Assignments, and you can click under those assignments, and then it will turn in all 3 on one assignment. We will then reach out to you over the first weeks of school to sign you up, beginning with seniors first. One other big change that I want to make sure we go over is that all cars must be moved by 4:15 at the top parking lot. This is because the band will be practicing up there, and they need to have that space to practice. So please know that your car will be towed if you do not have it moved by 4:15. Other reminders that you must drive safely up there, or you can lose your spot. Also, your car may be searched if there's anything in there that deemed necessary. And also understand that if you are overly tardies, that you can lose your parking pass. So please make sure you don't lose this privilege. This is something we want you to be able to enjoy and keep. If you have any questions, please email Mr. Rich, and I'll be more than glad to help. Thank you.